Welcome back. This is KTN Prime. Let's now head to Vihiga County and highlight a story of pain, patience, and a family's desperate quest for closure.
Now, the bodies of Reverend Hezekiah Ondego and his wife Grace Imali have remained in the mortuary for, get this, 5 years, as the family is unable to be buried, or rather they're unable to be buried because of a court case on a disputed land.
Our reporter Bramwell Bwire uncovers how a conflict over ancestral land has left an entire family and community trapped between law, tradition, and heartbreak.
Here is their story.
Reverend Hezekiah Ondego passed away in November 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic. His family had prepared for a quiet burial, only for the police to storm their home with a court order stopping the funeral. The reason? A land dispute with the county government.
So hii issue ya mzee kupass ndio tutakuja tunaambiwa tena tutoke hapa. So tukashangaa tunaenda wapi? Mimi nilikuwa nimeendea Mbale kununua mjiko na jembe za kuchimba kaburi ya mzee. So mimi nikiwa Mbale nasikia tu kuna maskari nyumbani. Sasa nikashangaa nini? Mimi nikafikiria labda sababu ilikuwa wakati wa COVID, wamekuja nini kusimamisha sababu ya COVID.
Since then, Reverend Ondego's body has stayed inside Mbale mortuary for 5 painful years. His widow Grace passed away last May. Her family says the stress was too much to bear.
Mama alianza hapa ugonjwa, ikakuja pressure, ikakuja tajielewi, mpaka amekufa hivyo tu.
But even in death, she cannot be buried.
Mtu wa kwanza wa kushughulikia ni mume mwenyewe, kwa sababu yeye ndiye alikufa kwanza, alafu mke mwenyewe. Hata ikiwa ni siku moja, tutashughulika na mambo ya mume, tuzike. Baada ya kuzika mume, ndio tuje tena pia kuzika mke wake.
The disputed land sits right behind the Vihiga County headquarters, a 2.4-acre plot whose ownership has torn the family apart from the government. The county says it's public land. The family insists it's theirs.
Tumezika hapa watu wanne. Ndugu yangu, wawili, dada na ndugu ya baba.
Documents shows years of back and forth between the family and county officials. The county attorney says the court already ruled that the land belongs to the government and the family had already abandoned the appeal. Following a public outcry over Ondego's family plight, President William Ruto, during a Sunday service at Boyani in Hamisi, directed that 2 million shillings be given to the family to facilitate the burial of their loved ones. The big question, however, is whether the county government will allow them to go ahead and bury the two on the said land. Bramwell Bwire, KTN, Vihiga.
From Vihiga to Meru County now, where Mau Mau veterans and their families have scored a major win.